We decided to build our shelter on this main frame of sticks covered by a large tree. This is a model of our shelter. The upcoming video will explain our shelter.
So after we've set up our base, we're going to keep putting sticks against it and make it a frame. And then once we're done doing it along the base, we will put mud on it and leaves.
The boots we chose were Timberland hiking boots. We chose them because, as you can see in the video, they are very sturdy and allow you to go anywhere you want to. We also got rain boots for rainy weather where these hiking boots would get ruined. And we got backup running shoes in case we had to use them. We will use hand soap for everyday washing and making sure we don't get diseases in the wild. Mouthwash will make sure our teeth stay clean and healthy. Vaseline petroleum jelly will help protect us from dry skin and cuts that are inevitable in the wild. Chapstick will help protect our lips from getting too dry, getting cuts, and getting infections. One of the medicines we got for the forest was ibuprofen, which would relieve any pain or headaches we could have in the forest. Another thing we got was Off Deep Woods bug spray. This would stop us from getting bitten by any bugs and therefore stop diseases and irritation. Another thing we got was an all-purpose first aid kit to stop any infections, poisons, or other medical problems we could get in the forest. This kit includes band-aids, medical tape, ointments, and many other things we could need while we are on this trip. We also purchased calamine lotion to help protect us from any rashes we could get from poison ivy or oak in the forest. This is a video of us tying the base structure of our water machine. This is our finished base structure of our water collection machine. In a video you will see next, it explains how we will collect our water.
So this is the bottom part of our contraption. It's going to be where all the rainwater is stored. And on top of that, suspended by 4 long sticks, is going to be this other tarp with a hole in the middle. And the water will slide down the hole into this bottom part where we will store it.
In our section of the forest, we found many plants. We found plants like these wild berries, which we found out were inedible. But we also found plants like black walnuts, which we found out were edible and packed with nutrients. These walnuts are perfect for us because they are best picked in early October, which is the exact time we are going to be in the wild. We also found clovers, which, although small, are packed with nutrients and fully edible. The last edible plant we found was plantain, which, although has a strong taste, it can be reduced by boiling it. We also found evidence of many animals we could eat, including groundhogs, chipmunks, deer, and turkey. This meat would go along great with the rice and beans we purchased and allow us to easily survive for the month in the forest. We found groundhog holes, chipmunk holes, deer scat, and turkeys. We purchased the survival book to help us find plants and trap animals.
We could also capture turkeys by sweeping them up from their legs. We even have gloves we could use for this.
We also bought rabbit fins to make traps such as this cage trap. And we bought materials for a snare such as the one showed above. Here is a video explaining a less complicated snare that we made.
This is our makeshift snare for our traps. We've got the loop on here that comes off of the stick here, and it's tied to another stick in the ground over here. So that when an animal, say on that animal, walks through here, it triggers the snare, which activates our trap.
We also have materials for a rock trap such as the one shown above. Here's a small video of us doing a simple rock trap. So this is our rock trap. Here we have the rock that will kill the small animal like a chipmunk. And here we have the wire trigger and the stick holding the rock up. And we'll place the bait here, and once the chipmunk goes for it, it will trip the trigger and the rock will fall on top of it, killing it.
Why don't you give us an example, Kenan?
See, if I pull this,